Can see I now also having this pens, and it is after 3 years of because I'm not using it regularly. Let me show you whether it is working or no. So you can see it is working also. So after 3 years of just keeping this pen idle, they are working fine. So I would suggest, if you are purchasing these pens in bulk, no problem, you can purchase it and you can keep it also. It will not get dried also. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.